Here are the steps to complete your independent art project. Step 1 is to fill out this part of this worksheet. The next step, you went on to the creation phase of the project, which is what we're wrapping up now. When you decide it's completely finished, you will finish one of these artist statements. So I think a lot of us have already done it. If you did, hooray! If you haven't, fill it out. The next step is to publish it on Artsonia. You're going to log in by clicking Students after you just get to the app on the publishing iPad. This will be set up along with a publishing booth. You want a nice white blank background so you can get a good picture of your artwork without any kind of, messy distractions. Next, you'll use the publishing iPad to scan the QR code for the class. From here, the iPad will ask you which grade you're in. You're going to choose your class, select it, and you're going to find your name. In the bottom right corner, it says Add New Art. So I can tap that, and then here's the assignment, Dickie's Class Independent. I'll tap it, and it's going to be like, hey, is this you? And you're going to say, that's me, or no, that's not me. That's me. And it's going to ask you, do you want to take a new photo, or did you already take a picture and it's saved onto the iPad? I'm going to take a new one. It may ask you if you can use the microphone or the camera. Click OK. And now it is ready to take a picture of the art. When you are taking a picture of art, you want to make sure that you can see the entire thing quite well and that the image is in focus. You don't want it to be blurry. You also want to make sure that it's just a neutral background so that the focus will be on the artwork itself and not mess. After you've taken the picture, it will ask if you want to use it or if you want to retake. That's good. I don't see any distractions in the background. I can see my little monster dude really well, and I'm gonna use that photo. And it gives you some options: perspective crop, no crop, standard crop. So typically standard's gonna be your best. Make sure you can get the entire project inside there. If you want to slim it down so there's less negative space, that's the area that is not the artwork, then that's fine. There we go. Looks good to me. When you're done, great. Next, if it's really dark, you could probably click the brighten button. This will let you lighten it if you want, or make it darker if it needs to be. You want it to be as clear as possible so the person looking at it can tell what it is. So find a good area. Contrast, you can see if you need to up the contrast or lower it. Notice how the definition is getting less or more. Colors are getting brighter. And yes, that looks pretty good. Let's see, there's a blur tool. Don't mess with that. Submit. I think that's good, so I'm clicking submit. Add title, artwork title. Submit. Ickis is the name of my little monster. And it's gonna ask you some questions about artist statement. You guys already did this with the form, so skip. And there he is. It is turned in. Yeah, that's how you do it.